Yo YouTube, what's good? Welcome back. So pretty much this is just a little update video since I last installed the blow-off valve. Got a lot of stuff coming through. We're gonna have exhaust coming in soon. We're gonna be doing a whole new wing. So the wing's coming this Thursday, so this is all gonna be going, which I'll be showing you guys how to take this off and stuff like that when the time does come. So I got to get the wing painted when it does arrive, so it'll be like probably like a week or two. And then after that, exhaust. Then I got to get this one running. But pretty much just been slacking on content lately. Been dealing with the tree that was here. Now that's gone. You know, just doing a whole bunch of house stuff like that. You know, car kind of clean, kind of not clean, but you know, a lot of stuff coming this month for the car. Want to do a whole truck delete or truck lid delete and pretty much get rid of like this whole Mustang decal and then clean it up a little bit in the back. Probably get like lowering springs for the car until I could get some actual coilovers on the car, and that's pretty much it. You know, I'm contemplating doing this hood black just because, you know, we already have the black roof, black wing, but who knows, that's still maybe. So then gonna see black mirrors on each side, and shout out Ray Studio, you know, for the sticker. Really fuck with it. If you can't see it, it says only friends, I see you like a brother. It's a nice little meme, you know. But yeah, just been putting a lot of hours in at work, and hopefully, you know, the next couple of videos will entertain you guys for a little bit. I'm not gonna say which exhaust or which wing I got, but wing is coming in this week, so I'll be filming for that Thursday, going into Friday and Saturday. I don't know how long it's gonna be before I could actually get the wing fully painted and stuff like that. I've been going around trying to get some estimates and stuff, because if you guys didn't see, I had a Camaro in the previous videos, and that wing was like about 125, 150 just to get it painted gloss black. It already came primed, sanded, so there was no prep work. I already got one estimate for 450, but I'm definitely not gonna pay 450 just to get it painted gloss black. You know, it's not worth. You know, I've gotten really good quality for less, so we'll see how that comes in, and especially when there's no prep work involved. So that's pretty much the whole update that I wanted to give you guys on this car, and maybe that car I'll do something on. I'm not sure. Nobody wants to see a CRV, you know. I got to get a whole new transmission ordered for that, so we're going to be sourcing that out, get that up and running for winter. This one, we're going to make it a little bit louder. I'm already at 1,500 miles, so I've broken in the engine. Probably going to do an oil change video, who knows. I don't get my first free oil change from the dealership till 5,000 miles or June something. So we're definitely going to be seeing which one comes first, but I'm pretty sure June is gonna come before anything else. So get this oil change, stuff like that, and then maybe a review video once I get everything all prepped within the next couple weeks on ownership for 2 months, 3 months. But that's gonna be it. You know, I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys for being patient. Trust, we're gonna be pushing out really good content. You know, it's just hard to push car content when your wallet is this much. So we're trying to make best what we got, guys. And again, this is the property. Gonna be building a whole garage here, so this is all gonna be garaged, and then that's why we wanted to cut that tree down, that way there's nothing over the house. So but again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate the patience. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out and have a good day.